Look, the hedge fund world you know is already on the edge of a cliff, whether you want to admit it or not. Every day you push harder, you analyze deeper, and you sweat through another report, but the truth is brutal. The old ways just aren't cutting it anymore. Managers get praised for skill, but half the time that edge is smoke and mirrors, relying on old-school instincts, gut feelings that crash with the markets. You're exhausted, grinding through noise, chasing returns that feel smaller and smaller, while AI tools crowd the scene, sharper, faster, more relentless. It's the silent war everyone's whispering about, but no one wants to say out loud. How long before AI swallows your whole industry? The real anger here isn't just about jobs at risk. It's about the frustration of watching technology step into your territory, doing things you thought only a mastermind could do without skipping a beat. You built your career on knowing how to read markets, how to move when others freeze, but machines don't hesitate. They don't get tired. They don't miss signals you couldn't spot. So what can you do that algorithms can't steal from you in the next few years? First, stop thinking of AI as your enemy. That's your trap. AI is a tool, an extension of your mind that tears through reams of data in seconds, spots patterns no human sees, and executes strategies disciplined beyond your wildest focus. But here's the kicker. AI can't replace human intuition where it counts most. When it comes to understanding context, human behavior, and yes, those gut calls built from years of raw experience. Your job now, if you want to survive and own the next decade, is to become the operator who knows exactly how to merge AI's power with raw human insight. You gotta be brutal with what you let AI run. Throw it the grunt work, data crunching, arbitrary patterns, high-frequency signals. You own the complex calls, the bets on market shifts nobody else gets because they're stuck in formulas. Next, build what no AI can mimic: networks. Real human connections where you exchange insights nobody's software has access to. The rare info, the whispered clues, the nuanced understanding of politics, social shifts, and microeconomics that aren't on any spreadsheet. You have to double down on being the guy or gal who makes the right call, not because of data, but because of access to people, to context, to realities behind the numbers. And don't kid yourself, this means getting uncomfortable. Deep dives into crowds, conversations with experts outside your bubble, understanding what's breaking and why at ground level, not just in the charts. Here's a huge truth you rarely hear. The hedge fund manager who survives AI isn't the one trying to beat the machine at its own game, but the one who controls it, who directs AI to do exactly what humans can't, while they focus on what machines will never grasp: human complexity and disruption. You must become the strategist who designs AI systems, interprets their output with wisdom, delivers edge by connecting dots that no algorithm can link. Forget legacy. Forget playing safe with slow thinking. Be ruthless with your time and energy. Learn AI tools not as a side hustle, but as the backbone of your decision-making. Invest in teams that mix machine learning talent with market veterans. And here's the point that breaks hearts and minds at once. If you think you can coast because you're smart or experienced, you will be left behind or worse, replaced. This is a brutal race to rebuild your whole mindset. Your advantage is never going to be just knowledge or intuition again. It's going to be how you create a hybrid brain of man plus machine, and do it faster, cleaner, smarter than everyone else. So the future isn't bleak. It's wild and full of opportunity if you're willing to fight for it, learn every damn day, and reinvent how you manage capital and people. Get ruthless about cutting noise and say yes, only to what pushes you toward this fusion with AI. The moment you try to stand outside this new reality, you become obsolete. But the moment you decide to become the bridge, the tactician, the networker, the AI commander, you don't just survive. You own the game. This isn't about replacing humans with machines. This is about who controls the machines. And if you step up, you can still lead the next decade of hedge funds. But do it now, or watch everything you built dissolve. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.